Hello everyone and welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss about markets Nifty, Bank Nifty and few stocks for the next trading session, that is 10th of November. So let's see today's market movement, and on a daily time frame the Bank Nifty, this is the move. It has opened gap up and almost went up by 700 and plus points. So this is the move, amazing move. In last 3-4 trading session we have seen upsided trended move in the Bank Nifty. So let's discuss with the smaller time frame, 15-minute time frame. If I can plot, then here it is. The first candle here, we have seen a good gap up on 9th November. First bullish candle on 15-minute time frame, then small retracement near to the support zone of the same 15-minute first candle low. Then Bank Nifty again went up. So this could be a possible trade in this trading session. So now let's mark the level with the help of this 15-minute time frame, and we have seen the good momentum since this point. There is only one retracement which is very small. And then again we have seen a good upside momentum. So let's check where is the proper levels of support and resistance. So we will start with the of today's trading session high and low. So let me mark the today's trading session high and low. So this is the low, 27,068. This is the high. Let me mark it again, and that's it, 27,595. So there is a very good momentum in today's trading session. And let me mark the now level for important area of support. So here the for gap here, the before this gap there is some kind of consolidation here at near resistance zone. So this could be an important level of resistance because of this consolidation. So let me mark the level, 26,850 is the level. Okay, and if I can mark the important area of resistance for Bank Nifty, I will take this retracement here, which will help you a lot. And let me check the level. So 161% comes near 27,680 is the level of 161%. But due to this high momentum in last so many days, and this is a good uptrend, I'm going to mark 261% retracement level as a resistance. So 28,050 is the important area of resistance. So now let me write it down. The resistance zone is 28,050 and the support zone is around 26,850. So these are the two levels, important area of support and resistance for the next trading session you should watch for. Now let me mark the levels for Nifty index. So let me first remove this, and this is the gap of opening here, and we have seen a good momentum. And let me mark the area of support resistance first. So today's trading session high is, this is the high, 12,474, and this is the low, 12,367. So this is a very narrow range in today's trading session. So now we are going to mark the levels for the next trading session. So first I would like to mark the resistance zone with by this retracement, and if I can mark 161% is around 12,507, and 261 is 12,593, which means 12,600. So this is a possible area of resistance, 12,600 for Nifty index, and this area of gap will definitely act as important area of support, which comes around 12,260. So this could be a possible level for tomorrow's trading session. Let me write it down. The resistance is 12,600 and support is 12,260. So these are the two levels you need to watch for next trading session. So let's discuss the stocks for tomorrow. The first stocks is Lupin. We have shortlisted Lupin. Let me mark the moving average also. And here we have seen a good small downside in Lupin on 15-minute time frame. This is a 15-minute time frame, and nice consolidation happened in this area. And let if there is a good opportunity on buying above this area around 925 is a buy for Lupin 920. Buy above 925. Keep your stop loss as this swing low, and you can wait for target area of around this level 940. An important area of support swing low is around 912. So this could be a possible trade for next trading session. Lupin as a bullish stock. Then next is Reliance Industry. We have seen so much high momentum, first downside then again upside, and right now it's near to important area of resistance which I have marked here, 2070. So 2070, if any breakout appears above this level, buy about 2070 is a buy call for Reliance. Keep your stop loss as this consolidation, and waiting for this is the area here. The gap area is a resistance to 2112 is the area of probable target for Reliance Industry for the next trading session. So this could be a possible trade. There is only one condition: buy about 2070. That's the condition for Reliance Industry to buy. So I hope you like this video, and if you can share this video to your other groups. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and wait for another video. Thank you so much.